Hello, I'm Vinnie Salzone, Northeast Regional Sales Manager for Pierce Chicken. I'm here to show you how our frozen chicken outperforms fresh chicken in the back of the house. In my customers' kitchens, I've seen how Pierce frozen chicken, including bone-in parts, breast fillets, tenders, and wings, can significantly improve operational efficiencies compared to fresh chicken. Our frozen fully cooked and breaded chicken provides outstanding food safety, convenience, and profitability, with the unbeatable great taste that Pierce is known for. To demonstrate these advantages, I'll use Pierce frozen fully cooked and breaded super chicken, bone-in parts, in a side-by-side comparison to fresh product. Super chicken comes in a variety of pack options, but I'll be featuring our 8-piece cut for this video. Let's start with product storage of Pierce frozen versus fresh. Super chicken arrives in a package that indicates the production date, and because you can safely store frozen chicken for up to 12 months, it virtually eliminates your exposure to expired product and wasted inventory. Compare this to fresh chicken. First, the term fresh chicken is not really accurate. Generally, it takes 2 to 4 days to process and ship fresh chicken before it arrives at an operator's door. It may be a few more days until the chicken is prepared. Therefore, the chicken is a minimum of 3 to 5 days old when it's served to the customer. Not to mention, raw chicken stays safely refrigerated only 7 to 10 days, and the chicken loses up to 2% each day of its weight in purge. Preparation time, labor, and product loss are where the advantages of frozen chicken really stack up against fresh product. There's considerably more labor and prep time involved with fresh chicken. To start, when removing fresh product from its package, you contend with a mix of melted ice and meat juices. The leaking, dripping purge creates an opportunity for bacteria transfer that leads to cross-contamination, in addition to the daily 2% yield loss I mentioned earlier. Fresh chicken must be cut and trimmed. This labor-intensive process adds more risk of cross-contamination from knives and the prep area. And every time you dispose of the cutting and trimming waste, you lose money spent on your fresh chicken purchase. Next, applying a scratch-made breading takes time, labor, and the cost for ingredients. We'll need to make sure we factor in the cost of labor and waste in the cleanup process as well. Now, compare that to Pierce super chicken pieces, which are already pre-cut, trimmed, breaded, and frozen, all within 48 hours of processing. We coat super chicken in a well-seasoned breading that delivers a delicious signature crunch. Our consistent breading application ensures full coverage and uniform thickness. That means you get great taste and plate appeal, order after order, without all the mess you get from fresh chicken preparations. Now we're ready to cook our chicken, but before we do, let's view our frozen versus fresh preparation methods in instant replay. Not so instant with fresh chicken, is it? In cooking, it's easy to weigh the differences of frozen chicken versus fresh. I'll start with a weigh-in of our 8-piece super chicken, which is 21.5 ounces. Now we add it to the fryer. Fully cooked super chicken takes only 5 to 7 minutes to cook. And after frying, our super chicken pieces lost 3.5 ounces in moisture. That's only a 12% loss. When frying fresh chicken, there's significant weight reduction. 8 pieces of fresh chicken weigh in at 30 ounces before frying. The cook time of fresh chicken can be as much as 22 minutes. Remember, our super chicken took less than half that time. And after frying, the fresh chicken now weighs 22 ounces. That's a 27% decrease due to moisture loss. Compare that to super chicken, which only lost 12%. That decrease in weight means an increase in the true price per pound you're paying for fresh chicken. And think about the cost of slower service that your customers will pay. And by the way, where did all that excess fat and water go? It remains in your frying oil, along with coating, fall off. Frying oil degradation means more frequent oil changes, and that's another hidden cost of frying hand-dipped chicken. One final factor to consider when comparing frozen to fresh is that frozen product pricing rarely fluctuates during the course of a year, unlike fresh chicken, whose price changes on a weekly basis. Consistent pricing can help you make better menu decisions. Compared to fresh, serving Pierce frozen chicken, like our great-tasting super chicken and our entire line of frozen fillets, tenders, wings, and bone-in parts, is the better investment for your business. You improve your food sanitation while saving on preparation time and true food costs. Please give us a call at 1-800-336-9876 or visit poultry.com for more information on our Pierce Super Chicken and to view all of our product videos.